You got the hiccups. What? You got the hiccups? What was that? His hiccups suddenly stopped. It's just a camera, Shando. Don't be so camera shy. I know you don't like videos. You like your privacy, I know. Okay, what happened to the hiccups though? It was so cute. Okay. What? What are you looking at? Throwing out your bubbers? I love you too. I love you too, with all my heart. Jowls, eyeballs, and cheeks. What? Grizzly bears. Grizzly. The grizzly bear. And he rubs those. He rubs the jowls. Okay. Well, that's gross. That's gross. Gross. But he's so tough. He got such a tough forehead. Gross. Gross.
You know, he does this. He does this when I get my camera out, too. Like, he knows. He's camera shy, so
he's gonna do stuff to make me turn off the camera. Yes? What? What was that expression? Turn. What? He rolled his eyes at me. I saw that. He rolled his eyes. Did you too? What? Gibberish? Hi. Tush? Did I have a tush? Tush? Did I have tush? Tush? Thank you. What? What's nibbles? Nibbles. And jowls. Jowl my toes. Okay, yes, grand finale. This is the grand finale, yes it is. Yes, oh yes, it is the grand finale. Tush. Can I have tush? Thank you.